Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can um, access the sources. So uh, the first method is right here. You see at the end of every this line you will see this small bottom chain icon. So here is our sources where he take those information. So this is behind every line or every sentence. You will get this information. Also, then you have search button right under here at the bottom. Here you will see, if you click on that, you will see all of the basically complete list of links and files where he got an informations. And then we have also deep research report. Uh, you will see a comprehensive list of website sources at the bottom of the generated report. Then some tips for that. You can verify if an image was generated or edited by AI within the app. And in deep research mode, free online academic article can be accessed, but subscription-based journals cannot be accessed. So that you know, if you need some more details or something, you will need to have access to those journals. So I hope this video helped you out where to find those sources in Gemini. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.